Introducing the all-new TurtlePro Power Kit. We have designed this 240-volt, 120-volt power step-down kit to be safe, simple to use, lightweight, and ultimately your go-to for all your power conversion needs. Our kit comes with a fully injection-molded power distribution box that was designed with professional flood restoration and/or bed bug heat treatment customers' needs in mind. This fully molded plastic housing design protects the user against electric shock and removes the need to ground the box. We created an exclusive channel plug design, built-in handle, and high-profile feet to provide maximum safety and protection. Our boxes come standard with the correct overcurrent protection, 30-amp main switch. The main breaker switch ensures you will not overload the power supply and will switch off before becoming a fire hazard. All of the 4 TurtlePro's 15-amp outputs are equipped with GFIs and spaced for optimal cooling and balanced power. The kit comes with 4 by 8 foot long 240-volt adapters. These adapters include 3-prong old dryer and range adapters, and 4-prong new dryer and range adapters. These fully molded adapters let you easily connect and supply 48 amps of 115-volt power to as many as 24 elite axial air movers. All of our power boxes and adapter plugs are ETL listed in the USA and Canada. This entire kit weighs in at only 15 pounds and comes with a free high-quality bag with heavy-duty wheels for easy rolling, sliding up and down handle, and backpack straps to free workers' hands and more efficient transport to the job site. Thank you for watching and learning about this exciting new and safe power conversion product.